Information assurance careers, exploring career paths. In order to maintain the security and integrity of digital data systems, this field of computer science is in charge of protecting them against unauthorized access or attacks from malicious programs. Experts in this field build secure frameworks that protect private data like usernames and passwords and client details, in addition to investigating possible risks.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
What is information assurance in cybersecurity? Any cybersecurity or information technology expert is aware that one of the most important and potentially vulnerable aspects of an organization's operations is its data. A breach can damage the financial and public image of a business. Organizations must install strong firewalls, antivirus software, and other security measures to safeguard their priceless digital assets. In order to prevent possible threats from slipping through the breaches, they also need to make sure that these safety precautions are routinely examined. Information assurance can help in this case by providing extra security on top of the existing security precautions and by spotting prospective hackers before they can harm business networks or critical consumer data. Prerequisites to become information assurance professional. You must fulfill a number of requirements in order to become an information assurance expert. Education. Candidate credentials may include a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, information technology, cybersecurity, or a closely connected subject. As a result, you will have extensive understanding of computer systems, cybersecurity, and programming ideas. Experience. It's essential, particularly in the domains of information technology and cybersecurity. Knowledge. You must be knowledgeable about data security principles, risk management, cybersecurity technologies, and compliance frameworks. Technical knowledge. It's also important to have technical understanding of firewalls, invasion detection, prevention systems, operating systems, programming languages, and SIEM tools. Industry certifications. You can show your understanding of information security by holding recognized industry certifications like the CISSP, CISM, or CISA. Communication skills. It's necessary for effectively conveying complex security concepts to both technical and non-technical stakeholders. Ethical considerations. It's important to have a strong moral compass that recognizes the significance of keeping sensitive information private, accurate, and accessible. Detailed overview of an information assurance role. A list of duties for an information assurance professional is provided below. Establish and put into practice information security policies and procedures to protect the confidentiality, integrity, and accessibility of personal data. Conduct risk and vulnerability analyses to identify and fix any potential security flaws or threats. Establish and maintain security training and awareness programs for staff to promote best practices and reduce human error. Watch for security breaches by using SIEM tools, detection, prevention systems, and firewalls to monitor security systems and tools. Conduct compliance audits and security audits to ensure that regulations like HIPAA, PCI-DSS, and GDPR are being complied with. Develop and maintain business continuity and recovery plans to ensure that crucial systems and data are accessible in an emergency. Stay abreast of the most latest developments in information security, and use that knowledge to constantly strengthen the organization's security posture. Assist IT, legal, and compliance cross-functional teams in ensuring that security guidelines are followed by the entire organization. Offer guidance and training on security-related issues, including as compliance, risk management, and security incidents, to internal and external stakeholders. To increase your understanding and expertise in information assurance, consider professional development opportunities in addition to essential industry certifications, such as the CISSP, CISM, or CISA. An information assurance profession might be interesting and satisfying if you work in different kinds of industries, such as the public sector, financial services, or healthcare. Seize the opportunity, specializing in information assurance. Information security fundamentals, security policies, risk management, and access controls are area covered in this course. Network security. It covers invasion detection, prevention technologies, firewalls, and virtual private networks. Cybersecurity risk management. Using frameworks that are often used in the sector, you will learn how to recognize, evaluate, and reduce cybersecurity risks in this course. Cryptography. The areas like encryption, decryption, and digital signatures are covered in this course. Information Systems Security Specialist, CISSP, certified. This widely recognized certification demonstrates your expertise in information security. Certified Information Security Manager, CISM. It covers governance, risk assessment, and compliance. Certified Information Systems Auditor, CISA, to ensure that information systems adhere to rules and regulations. A qualified CISA audits, reviews, and monitors them. Shape your professional career in information assurance. You can become a successful information assurance expert through enrolling in these courses and obtaining the related certifications. You will then have the technical knowledge, marketable skills, and professional credibility needed. The demand for information assurance experts is increasing as a result of growing cyber threats and worries about the security and privacy of personal information. Information Security Analyst, Cybersecurity Specialist, Network Security Engineer, and Chief Information Security Officer are some of the job titles available to information assurance professionals. These skills are beneficial in a wide range of fields, such as healthcare, technology, finance, as well as government jobs. The responsibilities of an information assurance professional can include assessing risk and vulnerabilities, creating security protocols, putting security measures in place, and maintaining an eye on networks and systems for potential breaches. Information assurance professionals can work in a variety of settings, including corporations, government agencies, and consulting firms. Salary outlook for information assurance professionals. The pay for information assurance professionals is expected to remain competitive and rise in the coming years. Organizations' efforts to defend their data and systems against cyber threats will increase demand for information assurance specialists. Information security experts are expected to see a 33% increase in employment between 2019 and 2029 compared to all other vocations. Organizations' increasing need to protect their computer networks, infrastructure, and sensitive information from cyber attacks is what's driving this rise. Depending on their experience, location, and industry, information assurance professional may make a range of salaries. Financial and medical workers typically have higher earning potential than employees in other industries. Aside from earning higher money, professionals with qualifications like the CISSP or CISA are in demand. To ensure the security of sensitive data and networks, the DoD requires that every employee, including contractors, acquire a variety of certifications.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.